So, alright, guys, so check this out now. This is Mosha, coming to you from the Mosha Reggae Lounge, new location in the Dominican Republic. Big up on the status. Saying? Alright, so I there for 11 years. I just had two people from New York, Puerto Rican, come inside of the place, and them love Jamaican food, and I have much love for them. So I wanted to get them tasting the food because that's how I like to do video, so you know this is real. Alright? So what's your name, my lovely sister?
Joelle.
Joelle?
Joelle.
Joelle.
Yep.
What did you have?
I had oxtail and rice with vegetables and
Yeah.
cabbage.
How was it?
Delicious, amazing.
I wanted to get them tasting the food and then I do the video, but after I was done, I realized I got sidetracked. And this is a lovely husband right over there. What's your name, my brother? Justin?
Yep.
So that's Justin. Justin, what you had?
I had rice with jerk chicken.
Yeah.
And cabbage.
And how was it?
Fire. Best Jamaican food I've had.
He shut up, not true. Boom! So guys, remember what I told you. Thank you guys for coming and supporting the business. And I hope you come back. And I want to say this. Don't say bad things about people. Always speak good about people because that same thing gonna come back at you. Don't speak bad about nobody. Keep a positive atmosphere around you. If somebody come and they talk negative, run them. Run them! Boom, shock attack. Mosha out.